Welcome to Marrakech.
Hello. And welcome to Marrakech. We are here at the Cyber Park in Marrakech's Medina, so very, very close to the main square and all the souks and the attractions there. And this is a very, very beautiful park with loads of stunning plants. It's very tranquil, very peaceful, hugely different from the square over there. So it's a really nice place to come and just chill out really, and just enjoy a bit of time out away from the craziness of the city centre. But it is quite a frustrating place to come if you've got any kind of mobility issues. It is one of the only places that I've seen so far in Marrakech that really has thought about accessibility. So there's ramps, I've never had to go over a step so far. There's tactile flooring for people who are visually impaired. I'm not too sure about provisions in terms of sign language for people who are hard of hearing or deaf. But I wouldn't be surprised if there were some accessibility provisions for those people too. There's an accessible disabled toilet, which isn't huge, but is bigger than your usual toilet cubicle. But the really frustrating thing is the fact that to get around this park, you have got to go on this red gravel flooring, and to push along it if you're a wheelchair user is almost impossible if you're on your own. It's so gravelly and dense that your wheels just get caught into it all the time. And it really is a place worth coming to and worth experiencing, but I wouldn't necessarily recommend it for the independent disabled traveller. If you've got somebody with you who can grab your hand and pull you along or help you push, then maybe you might be able to manage. But it's so frustrating that they've made so much effort to make this place accessible and inclusive, but they just quite haven't got the flooring right.